If I could go back to my 18-year-old self and tell her this is what's coming in the future, you are stronger than you think, you are smarter than you think, there are some big plans for you and you'll be all right. My name is Allison Hines. I am an assistant principal at an elementary school, and I am a dog mom of 2 fur babies, Maximus and Scarlet, and I am married to my wonderful husband, Eric. My goal when I first started was to have some extra spending money, very much wedding motivated. My goals have totally changed now, and there were times where I couldn't see the full path, but I could see the step in front of me. So if you want to work just a couple hours a week, you want to work a lot of hours a week, you can make that choice. During the summer, I work more of my business because I have more flexibility. We like to travel in the summer and see my parents, and Eric likes roller coasters and going to different amusement parks. And then when the school year starts, I fit it right back into working around the school day. The culture in Mary Kay is like no other. You will never find it anywhere else. We just have such a respect for everybody, and it's so encouraging. We're all here to raise each other up. Mary Kay fits my life because I can still be in education and have girlfriend time and build confidence and impact other women, and I can do it when it fits best.